Welcome to our International Chinese Summer Camp 2026. Today, our overseas students are making traditional Chinese paper lanterns. It is one of the most popular traditional Chinese folk crafts. In our summer camp, we learn Chinese while experiencing real culture. Look, everyone is focused on cutting, folding, and decorating. This hands-on craft helps foreign students understand Chinese traditions. Every paper lantern stands for happiness, luck, and good wishes. Our camp combines immersive Chinese lessons with cultural workshops. Students from all over the world create art and make new friends. No boring classroom only, we learn by doing and traveling in China. Take a look at our beautiful handmade Chinese paper lanterns. This is the unique charm of our Chinese summer camp. Ages 7 to 17, all-inclusive study and culture tour in China. Join us to learn Chinese, explore culture, and make unforgettable memories. Come to China and start your amazing summer camp journey with us.